Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic is what small act of kindness were you once shown that you will never forget? What small act of kindness were you once shown that you will never forget? Often we come across kindness shown by random people, and that makes us believe that humanity is still alive. And there have been many instances that have happened with me, and I still wonder that why would someone do that? Why would someone help someone in need? And I was helped even when I did not ask for it. So, uh, so one such incident is when I was in school around in class 8, and I had to go back to my school, which was around 30 kilometers away, 32 kilometers to be very precise, and I need to board a bus. And I was just uh, uh, walking very fast, and then somebody on a motorcycle just stopped his bike near me and asked me if you study in that school. I don't know how did he guess that information? And I said yes, and he told me about that. The bus has left recently around 5 minutes ago, and he can help me to reach that bus. So he can try. So out of nowhere, I just told him, say, okay, uh, let's try. And he helped me. Although I could not board the bus, and therefore another small act of kindness when I was walking very fast to my college. Yes, walking when I'm in hurry, I walk very fast, and then somebody alone, again was someone on bike, and he stopped his bike in front of me, and he asked me if I need lift, and I said yes. He could drop. Can you drop me around like that was around 2 kilometers away from that uh, path? So he said yes, and he dropped me in there. So there have been many such instances, and I found the help. And why this is important to help someone, because because of those incident itself, I also start to give it back because I was helped by someone. Then I should also help to give it back. That is my responsibility, and that is how one message is that what goes around comes around. If you help someone, somebody will help you. I don't know why this works. Maybe it doesn't work, or maybe it's not. But what option do we have? Just help someone if you see someone in need. Thank you. Over to you.